Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to convert this number into proper readable date format. Though we have multiple solutions in Excel, but today I am going to discuss with you something very amazing, and let's see how to find out by using text function. Equal to text function, select this number as value and give the format. And after we applied this format, guys, we can see we got the date format, but it's not readable. As you can see, once I select the date, and you can see that they are not converted back to number. So how to convert them proper readable date format? So let's use date value function. So date value function converts the text format of date into proper readable date. So it is a number. Let's see how we can use keyboard shortcut called Control Shift Hash. Voila. This is the proper readable date format. As you can see, they are also converted back to number and Control Z. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much.